Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another August unboxing to share with you, and it is Lavella Beauty. Now for the last 2, maybe 3 months, this box has been sold out. Is the August box going to sell out too? Might well be actually. Oh my gosh, I've had this box for a couple of days now. But if you're new to Lavella Beauty and you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside their August box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Lavella Beauty is a UK only monthly beauty and wellness subscription box. It started at the start of the year, so it's been running for a good couple of months now. So far I have loved every single box that I've received. Last month's box was amazing. It was so good. It had a lot of products inside. Yeah, I do really like this box, so I'm excited to see how it does over the next couple of months or so. The subscription is pretty simple. You can sign up for a monthly rolling subscription and you can cancel any month. Plus they have an online store and I believe some mystery boxes as well. So all links and everything related to this box I'll pop down below, including any mystery boxes that I can find. I'll pop down there as well. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to open this up and showing you what's inside. Every box comes with its own little dried flower or plant. I just love the attention to detail. I have had a quick sneak peek, but I haven't actually delved in there properly. So inside the box we get a leaflet and it tells you everything about the products inside the box, so I'll refer to this as we go along. Every single box we receive a card, and this is a postcard by O Squirrel. Yeah, that's it, I remember now. So you can either use it as a postcard or you could use it and frame. It's beautiful. So this says, "You are bloody brilliant." We've got some candles and these are little tea lights. Is this what smells nice? No, I think it's something else. I'm sure it's this. Anyone know what plant is this? I'm sure it's this that is smelly because everything else is all contained. It smells nice but not strong as that. We've got a 12-pack citronella. It's a lemony smell and it's supposed to ward off bugs and flies, mosquitoes and all those nasty things that come out at night and annoy you. So I'm really chuffed with that. We can put a few around our chairs when we sit out in the garden. We've got a little fire pit now. Having some tea lights would be really handy. Yeah, I like that. Next up, we've got a product by Patisserie de Bain. This is Sweet as Cherry Pie Hand and Body Lotion, 200 ml here. I've tried a few products from this brand from different subscription boxes over the years, and they do the most amazing scented products. Sweet cherry pie. Oh, it feels really lovely. Oh, it hasn't got as strong a smell as what I thought. Normally they're really, from memory anyway, normally the scent is quite strong, gorgeous scent, but it almost smells alcoholic as well. If you've received a Lavella Beauty box for August, please let me know what yours sweet cherry pie one smells like. No, it's a really odd smell. It feels nice, it does feel nice, but unless it's old stock maybe, I don't know. Information about the lotion. In here it says, if you want to nourish your skin whilst enjoying a unique and uplifting fragrance, then the Patisserie de Bain Sweet as Cherry Pie Body Lotion is a fabulous choice and boasts the gorgeous aroma of warm cherries and indulgent vanilla. Rich in shea butter to help hydrate your skin, this easily absorbed body lotion has a sweet, light scent that is perfect to use anywhere on your body. Yeah, maybe I've never had this one before then. But yeah, there's that. Next, we've got a makeup tool, and this is by Brushworks. This is a brush cleaner tool, ideal for fast, ease-in cleaning, simple to use with water or a brush cleaner. I'll just get it out and show you. I've had these before in different subscription boxes, so I'll pass this on. And in all honesty, I don't use them. Clean your brushes that way. No, do you know what I use? I use a bar of soap and then gently while the tap is running. Warm water, very gently, just go around in circles, rinse it, take it away, rinse it. That's how I clean my brushes, and that's what I've been doing for years and years and years and years and years. The design sits comfortably in the hand, whilst this textured surface effectively removes dirt, impurities and product buildup from bristles. Experience quick, convenient and deep cleaning. And it just says follow the instructions on the back there on how to clean. Next, we have got a product by Max Factor, and this is a brow highlighter. I love this. It's got a little brush on the end there. It is a really great colour. Ooh, you might not be able to see. Can you see there? It's not white and it's not super, super pale, but it's enough to give a good highlight underneath brows. And then you can like sort of blend it out using the pads of your fingers then, because obviously your fingers are warm and it'll soften it. Yeah, I love that. Instantly define and brighten your brows with Max Factor Eyebrow Highlighter. The smooth, creamy and blendable formula highlights the arches of your brows for a brighter and more youthful look. Follow the arch of your brows with a pencil and use a brush to shape and define your brows. Next, we've got something that looks like a drink. It's a smoothing styling milk with honey and oat from Biolage. It says authentic, raw and wholesome, no silicones, no parabens, and there's 200 mils there. Look, can you see how runny it is? Oh my gosh. Nourishing styling milk for dull dry hair eases the grip of blow drying while enhancing hair with nourished style for polished locks and smooth hair. Infused with honey and oak, this styling milk is designed to nourish dry and damaged hair and bring it back to life. Shake before use. Work a small amount of the styling milk in your hands and apply throughout damp hair. Spread evenly. Blow dry as required. Well, it's not thickening up. This is so strange. Oh, it hasn't got a lid on it. Oh my word, it just smells like yogurt. Okay, it's more of a cream. It is liquidy, but you could put that in your hair. It just smells like yogurt. It's a honey and oat styling milk. And then lastly, we've got a very, very expensive Avon product. And this is hyaluronic shea butter, goji berry and avocado. This is a brightening and depuffing hyaluronic overnight eye recovery mask. And there's 15 mils there. Now this is probably worth going on £100. Avon products are very, very pricey. Some I like, some I don't like. We have had a lot of them in subscription boxes over the last year or two. I've given away a lot to friends. It feels nice. Combining hyaluronic acid, shea butter and pululan. I've never heard of that. Pululan. This innovative night eye mask helps decongest puffy eyes, eye bags and reduce fine lines and wrinkles, leaving the eye area radiant and refreshed. Apply before bed to clean dry skin using a light tapping motion with your ring finger. Start at the inner corner of the lower eyelid and extend to the outer corner. So yes, so this would push the value of the box to over £100. So quite a pricey product, So those are all the items inside this month's Lavella beauty box. I'm just going to gather them all up and do a bit of a recap. So we've got the potting shed, a pack of 12 citronella tea lights for the garden. We've got a Brushworks, a brush cleansing tool. We've got a patisserie de bain, sweet cherry pie, hand and body lotion. We've got a Max Factor highlighting eyebrow pencil. We've got a Biolage smoothing hair styling cream. We've got an Avon overnight eye recovery mask. And lastly, we've got an O Squirrel postcard. So I have to be honest, this isn't my favourite box this month. The hand and body cream, I'm a bit disappointed with the scent. From memory, I haven't had Patisserie de Bain products for a long time, but from memory, the products they smell absolutely gorgeous. This one, it didn't smell that strong, and it's got a strange smell. I can smell cherries, but very faintly. The makeup brush tool as well, I've had them a lot in the past as well. It's just personal preference, isn't it? I'm used to using a bar of soap and warm water. That's how I clean my brushes. I have tried using these tools to clean my brushes and I just don't like them, so I'll be passing that on as well. The Avant cream, I think, is fab to put in the box. There is a little talk around social media questioning the price of these products when you see them in a lot of subscription boxes, especially subscription boxes under like £15 price mark. So there's conversations going around surrounding the Avant brand on social media, but for me, I don't think of it as, wow, I've got a nearly £100 product. I don't think like that anymore with this brand. I just see the brand as the brand and the products that they're producing, and yeah, I do really like some products, some not so much. So that's the main thing for me, whether they work for me and they're good. The value, I'm not focusing on that anymore. But yeah, what else was there? Oh, the styling milk. That is just bonkers. I absolutely love the thought of it. It's really nice and lightweight. I can imagine that being really nice to massage into my hair. It smells really nice. It smells nice and fresh. It doesn't smell yucky, like gone off cream or nothing like that. It does smell really nice, but I just need to find out how long I can keep it for, and yeah, what's it like on my hair. And then finally, the eyebrow pencil. I love that. I love the fact that it's a really thin pencil, so I can get right in there. But as always, I would love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you subscribe to Lavella Beauty? Have you had your box yet? Or are you watching this for the first time wondering if this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.